What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm getting set up to install these side marker lights and this badge, and that badge that you can see is installed already. I got these side marker lights off of Amazon. I think they're like 10 or 12 bucks each, real cheap. This is just a regular smoke depot light. I got them because they were there. I didn't really see them anywhere else, so I just went ahead and got them. But I always want to try these sequential LED side markers, so I'm going to be trying those out and installing those today. And then, of course, you can see I got my cut by Cashy all badge to put on the grill, and trying out this Quattro badge on the bottom grill. I had this for a while now. From another project that didn't go through, so I figured I would try it on this car. All right, let's get set up for the install. All right, to start, I'm gonna install this cut by Cashy badge. You can see I got some double-sided tape on the back. They come with 3M double-sided tape from Cut by Cashy, but they're set more towards the center and not towards the edges like I have them. And I just retaped them towards the edges because I just stick it on the badge like that, and you can see that you know, where the adhesive is going to stick is towards the edges. So I always do it like that. And I had it like this before. I actually had this on the grill before. I actually have two of these, but I had to do a road trip for work to Colorado, and the grill got iced up. You know, I'm a California boy, so I was in kind of a rush. I ended up hitting the grill, and it actually broke off. So it never actually came off for like driving back and forth across 4 states between California, Colorado for like, I think like 4 years or something like that, until that one time it snowed. Well, it's actually like a hailstorm or something like that, snowstorm actually. So I'm driving through the mountain pass, it got all iced up, and I ended up trying to get all the ice off. I hit the grill, and as a matter of fact, if you look back in the video, a few videos back, you can see before I put this grill on the other grill, these slats were broken out, and this was still attached to it. So if you want to do this, don't worry about this coming off. It's gonna stick and stay. But let me see, I got 2 hands. I kind of peeled that back already, so bear with me. Got 1 hand to work with, so I got to peel this off of my mouth. And then got that off, and I usually just try to center these up. And just like that. And what you're going to do is press it for like a few seconds, like about 10, 15, 30 seconds, so that glue really sticks to it. And that should be good. Looks better already. Gives the car some character. It did look kind of plain on the front without it, and just that by itself gives it more character. And next, for this Quattro badge, I got this on eBay, and these actually come with an adhesive backing on it, but I wasn't sure it would stick. They also come with some screws and this piece right here on the back, and you have to tap. They come with some self-tapping screws, but I've had this for years and I lost the screws, so I actually went to Home Depot and got these 5mm screws. I had to drill the holes a little bigger, and some 5mm nuts for the back, self-locking nuts for the back, and put that across, and it, you know, it holds it to it. This actually broke right here, right there. So I got another one of these on the way, but this actually broke because when I had it off of the car, I took it to Home Depot, and I had it in my hand. I actually hit something with it on accident, so it cracked that right there, but it still sticks, so it's all good. But let's get this on, if I can do this with 1 hand. And that's it. And the self-adhesive for that is actually pretty strong. But that looks okay. I think the Quattro sign could be a little longer. I think it would look better, so I might try to find one that's longer. But I gotta see if I even like that right there. I don't know if it's making the front look too busy. Let's give the car some character. And then the side markers, these are pretty easy to take off. You just push forward because they have this locking tab. So you got to push forward, and then it kind of, I don't know if you can see that, but it has like a little notch right there that it locks into. So you just push these forward and they come out like that. And do the other one. Sorry about that, guys. The phone cut out, overheated. So, but anyway, other side is the same way. Just pulls out, and you can see where this goes in, and this is that notch I was talking. It notches right behind that. So you just push it forward. That'll spring forward and bring out that notch for it to come out. Then you just pull that out. Got to pull the bulb out, the old bulb out. And these go in, but I don't know if these are polarity sensitive, so I'm just gonna put it in if it fits. It looks kind of thick. Oh yeah, it goes in. And I'm just gonna kind of, and then go ahead and put it in. This one looks like it doesn't fit. Oh, there it goes. All right, we're gonna do this side, same exact thing. You want to make sure you don't bend that like I was doing. It's got to be centered, so. Hold on, I got to bend that back. Stop it. I had to get a pick tool for that. There we go. And make sure this is towards the front. Oh, and by the way, I don't think I told you guys who these come from. This is by VIP Mods. And like I said, I got them on Amazon, but I think eBay might have them too. So they even have a website and everything. So, and a number to call for support and all that, which a lot of other ones don't. So it seems like pretty good quality. But let's make sure that they're working. Oh, there they go. And sometimes the LED lights, they'll blink fast, but these aren't. So that's good. And they're pretty bright too. Real noticeable. I like them. That's what I was worried about, how bright they were gonna be, but like you can see, they're pretty bright. The other thing I just noticed is that you can see how this blinks from the rear to the front. So I was like, I wonder if the other side is the same way. And it is. Blinks from the rear to the front. So it's good that they made sure both sides are the same. All right, y'all. Let me show you guys what else I got coming. You're gonna like this, because let me show you these seats. You guys seen the seats the last time. They're horrible, man. Look at this one all torn up. Other one's not so bad, but it needs some love. But I'm gonna show you right now. You guys are gonna like this. And I've seen this done, but I haven't seen a video about, so I'm gonna be making a video about this. See right here, I got these out of a B7 Audi S4. And I was looking at B8s, but These were actually at the junkyard. So I just went ahead and got them for a real good price. And I was like, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and try these. But they do need an adapter bracket. So the adapter bracket is being made right now. So I'll probably get them within sometime next week, and then I'll be doing an install video on these. But these are gonna look nice in the Allroad, because I do have the suede Alcantara headliner for this from an S6 that was at the yard a while back too. So I've been getting lucky. But anyway, I think I like it. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.